because of my arthritis and diabetic issues, bones in my jaw are disintegrating and it's making the teeth come out. That's why I'm having to get one implant after another after another. They were coming out so fast, we couldn't replace them fast enough, and it would be more cost effective as well to do the arch rather than to put an implant in for each tooth.
Gregg is a wonderful patient. He's been with us for over 12, maybe 13 years. I took over his case 13 years ago and did some dental implant in the back. We tried to save most of his teeth with periodontal treatment. It became obvious to all of us, his dentist, myself, that it's time to do something dramatic, that this thing is going like a patch and we need to do something different. We did all the exams, we took all his teeth, we provided him with 4 implants in addition to his existing implant, and he got what he needs now, a full set of teeth in his lower jaw.
First time I came in, everyone was wonderful. Everybody was kind and helpful and tried not to make me nervous, tried to keep my nerves at bay, but I've never had an issue. He's always been very, very good as far as keeping my pain level at minimum, and the staff has always been very, very kind and very helpful. I wouldn't dream of going anywhere else. I wouldn't even consider going anywhere else. He's just that great.